Hey guys, so tonight on Days of Glory Shopworks, we're working on the dart again. Took it to the cruise night last night and got some weird noises out of my rear end. Maybe caliper coming loose, maybe it's a broken axle shaft, could be teeth missing off one of the gears, maybe, don't know. Either way, that's what we're here to find out, so happy Friday evening.
One, two, three, and...
Well guys, part two of rebuilding the diff on the dart. We're gonna do some cleanup and some basic assembly, then pull the pinion out of the differential housing. And then from there, we're gonna start mocking up the new gears I have for it. We have a set of 488 gears that I got a stupid price on probably 2.5 years ago. And from there, it's hopefully going to go together properly. We'll, well, follow along. Let's find out how it goes. Hey guys, so to continue with our differential, we've got a good pattern, we've got the right backlash, everything's all set, ready to go, except through my own mistake, if you notice, we can't get our diff pin out. And if we can't get the diff pin out, we can't slide the axle shafts in and put the C-clips on. And the reason why is this gear set is a thick set, I guess is the easiest way to say. There's thick and thin, and I didn't see any notes when I ordered it up, but it was like 2.5 years ago as well. May not have paid attention to it. So all the work that we went through already yesterday, a good 6-hour day, messing around with everything, down the toilet. It happens sometimes. Caught myself. I've rebuilt many, many diffs, and this is the first time I caught myself on something like this. Of course, it's going to be on my stuff. So, long story short, went into my shed at home and dug out all of my spare gear sets for the 8 1/4. And, well, I lucked out. I have a set of 355 gears. They're a used set, but they were a good set. And all I have to do is set them up to the factory preset, like 8 thou backlash and the right preload, and they should work fine with a good pattern. I don't know how many miles are on them, but they look in really good shape, so that's what we're going with. So, right back to square one, strip her apart. Here goes. things sometimes don't go the way you plan. This has been one epic failure over my weekend of wanting to do many other things. The 355s, there's got to be something I'm missing. They must be a mismatched gear set. I don't know. But, so the 392s were toast from the wreckage in the diff. The 488s were too thick crown gear, couldn't get the diff pin out. The 355s aren't meshing at all, and trust me, I have tried every combination possible to get a pattern of some kind to run them. So now, $321s, and this better work. If not, I'm gonna have to put the old 392s back in, nurse the car home, and let it sit until I can get a brand new gear set again and do this all over again. So, so much for an informative YouTube video on, you know, changing out your gears and fixing your sure grip. Here goes. I'll film this when I've got it back together. I'm done. Alright guys, it's been a fight. I now have a set of 321 highway gears. I don't have a good pattern, and I don't have any more patience. Drive side's pretty out and far, coast side is in and deep, so that means my pinion shims are incorrect. And frankly, right now I don't care. This is an epic fail for me. I love doing differentials, and I'm good at them. I'm not boasting, I'm good at them. So, in the future, there will be a complete rebuild on this differential, or I will tear it out and put a whole nother one in of a different style. Maybe an 8 3/4, maybe a 4 9-inch. Don't know. This is good enough to get me around till the snow flies, and yeah, it works. I'm even embarrassed to show it to you actually, so, but it is what it is. You can't win every time, and sure didn't win this weekend. Simple 3-4 hour job turned into a nightmare of 2.5 days. Anyway, that's all I got right now, and yeah, I'm gonna smack the gear oil into it, finish putting the brakes together, and kick her out.